Hi everyone, welcome to Juliet Machinery channel. Today we're gonna recommend to you the 5-star pre-cleaning machine, the 5XFS 7.5 FC double air swing cleaner, and which is widely used in Africa. This machine is used for remove the dust, light impurities, and also the impurity is larger and smaller than the material. Here is the details introduction about this machine. First is the elevator, which is a low broken rate elevator, and which is for feeding the material to the main machine. And the first part is the air swing part, which is for remove the dust and light impurities. Following is a vibration grader. There you can see from outside there are 4 handles in it, and it means 4 layers in the machine. And the holes, there are holes in the sieves inside. The hole will customized based on your material. Here is the second air swing part, which for remove the dust again. And following you can see the other side of the machine and also the specification about this machine. The following part will be the in-details introduction from the other side of this machine. From this side, first we can see the cyclone, and this is for the dust collector from the first and the second air swing part. And following we can see the outside of the dust and light impurities for both of the air swing part. Following we can see there is an air tube here, and also there is a handle in the air tube, which is for control the wind for this machine. And when we turn the handle in the horizontal way, it means the wind is for the largest. And when we turn the handle in the vertical way, it means the wind is in the maximum. And following we can see the air outlet of this machine. Just as we mentioned, there are 4 layers in this machine, so it will be 5 outlets. First is the outlet above the first layer, which is usually for the large impurities. And this is the outlet for the second above the second layer, which is also for the large impurities. Usually for this machine, the first layer and the second layer are both for the large impurity removal. And the following is the main outlet for the main grain. And we can see 3 outlets for it. It is above the third layer. And this means the membrane is occupied the most percent in the membrane. And the following outside here is the outlet above the first layer, which is for some small size grain, which is you may not need. And this is for the outlet for the under the first layer. Usually is for the small impurities. And you're like sand or something. And this is the whole in details about this machine. This double air swing cleaner can be used for cleaning all kinds of different grain like wheat, paddy, and sesame, all kinds of different beans, especially for remove the light impurities like dust things. And if you want to know more information about this, please contact us in any time. And following you can see the whole view about this machine. The advantage is about this machine. First, for the appearance processing, it's used a sandblasting processing line, which can protect the machine from rusting and water. Second is we can see the first air screen part and the second air screen part, which with the double air screen part can remove more dust and light impurities. Third, the machine can clean all kinds of different grain by changing the sieves inside. And also the handle we just mentioned is main control for the machine, which makes the machine is very easy to handle. Also the wheels in this machine, which is makes the machine removable. During the warehouse, you can move it everywhere you want. And following, you can see the other side of this machine. Please have a check. Based on the close view of this machine, you can see all the parts of this machine are connected by the bolts and nuts, which make our machine quality will be more stable. And for the processing machine, we used for process the parts of this machine are imported from Italy, American, Japan, and Germany to make sure the high decision of the machine. Here is all the above information about the double air screen cleaner, and if you want to know any more details about this machine, please contact us in any time. And following, you're gonna see here is our outside warehouse, which is for the stock of our finished machines, and the double air screen cleaner is only one type of these machines. Hi everyone, welcome to Juliet Machinery channel, and the second recommended machine for you guys is the Distoner, which is used for remove the stones from the grain. And here following will be the details about the Distoner. First is the fitting for the Distoner. It will be by the elevator, and after the 3 outlets from the elevator, the grain will go to the table. This table is made by stainless steel woolen mesh. As you know, different grain has a different size. In order to get the best cleaning effect, we will help you to choose the correct size of woven mesh. For the running of Distoner, depend on the wind and the vibration. Here is the wind room. There is a fan here. With the fan motor will make the wind blow up the grain in the table. And also based on the Distoner angle and the vibration, cause the density of the stone is heavier than the grain, the stones will climb up and out from the upside of the stone outlet. The grain will go down from the final outlet. Based on the Distoner, we have two types of the Distoner, the QSC7 and QSC10. The biggest difference for the two type is the whole size of the table, and the fan motor is different. It's the QSC10 Distoner, which is the bigger type, and the other difference is the capacity. For example, the capacity of QSC7 for cleaning weight is 5 to 7 tons per hour, and the capacity of QSC10 for cleaning weight is about 8 to 10 tons per hour. What we want to emphasize about the Distoner is the table, which we just mentioned is the stainless steel woven mesh. Also, they have the two different type of meshes, the 7 meshes and 14 meshes. The difference for the both type is the hole size is different, and based on the different grain, we can recommend the different hole meshes. Following, you can see the whole view about this machine, also the specification for the Distoner. For the advantages of the Distoner, the appearance processing. The first is the sand blasting appearance, which is protecting the machine from rusting and water. The second is the stainless steel, which is durable using. And third one is imported Japan bearing. And the fourth one is the stone remove rate can more than 99% for this machine. And also, the machine is with the wheel. It can be removable during your warehouse. For the machine information we just mentioned, if you want to know more detailed information about the Distoner, please contact us in any time. Thank you. Following is a simple processing line we're gonna introduce to you. Hi everyone, welcome to Juliet Machinery channel. And the double air screen cleaner we just mentioned with the Distoner can be installed in the simple processing line. The double air screen cleaner is for the pre-cleaning, and Distoner for remove the stones. And this simple installation has been widely used in Africa, especially for the Sesame cleaning. Both the simple processing line, the impurity can be 99% for the Sesame cleaning. Only the pre-cleaning it can be 98.5%. And with the Distoner for remove the stones, the purity can be 99%. Here you can see the video for the double air screen cleaner for cleaning the Quiona, which is the class from South America. And for clean Quiona, the capacity is about 3 tons per hour, and the machines can remove the dust, light, and bigger and smaller impurities from the Quiona. Following, you can see the other video for the double air screen cleaner to clean the Sesame, and which is very widely used in Africa. We have been delivered over there more than 100 sets of this machine. This machine can clean the Sesame in 3 tons per hour, and the purity can be at least 98.5%. You can see in the video, it can remove all kinds of different impurities in Sesame. The next video we can see is for the Distoner, used for removing the stones from the wheat. And after cleaning, we're gonna need to remove the stones from the stone outlet in the upper side of this machine. Hi everyone, welcome to Juliet Machinery channel, and here is the recommended machine 5CX5 magnetic separator, which is used for remove the clods from the grains. And here is the whole view. You can see this side of this machine, also with the specification you can see for the machine. And here is the details introduction about this machine. This is inlet of the machine, the electric box and the frame, and the motor and the outlet for the main product. Here is the other side of the magnetic separator. You can see the other details about this machine. Here is the introduction for the running of this machine, and here is the inlet box, which can have the function to evenly feeding the material to the belt, and with the magnetism in the material and also the magnet in the belt, and the belt will make the grain out from the outlet of the final product, and the clods will out from the impurity outlet. This machine, the magnetic separator, can use for different type of grain like wheat, paddy, all kinds of different beans for removing the soil and clods from it. And for the advantages of this machine, first, also the appearance processing is the sandblasting processing line, and which protected this machine from rusting and water. Second, we can see the wheels in this machine, which makes the machine is movable in the warehouse. And also the electric box, we can see the switch in it. It's just a two switch, and which makes the machine is really easy to handle. And for the magnet in this machine can be 17,000 Gauss, which can make the soil remove rate in more than 99%.